Speciation of ions refers to the changing concentration of varying forms of an ion as the pH of the solution changes. The ratio of acid, A and conjugate base, A, concentrations varies as the difference between the pH and the pK varies, in accordance with the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. The pH of a solution of a monoprotic weak acid can be expressed in terms of the extent of dissociation. In the transition range both forms are in equilibrium, so the color is intermediate. Outside the transition range the concentration of acid or conjugate base is less than 10% and the color of the major species dominates. Species concentrations calculated with the program HI-SS for a 10 mm solution of citric acid. There is no precise pK value that distinguishes between strong and weak acids because strong acids, such as sulfuric acid, are associated in very concentrated solution. Calculation of the species concentrations for a polyprotic acid is more complicated unless the pK values are separated by 4 or more, because 3 or more species may coexist at a given pH. The pH regions in which the species exist overlap extensively since the difference between successive pK values is small. A large number of computer programs for the calculation of equilibrium species concentrations have been published. Most of them can handle much more complicated equilibria than acid-base equilibria in solution. For details concerning general-purpose programs, see computer programs for calculating species concentrations in chemical equilibrium.